Kanina pa kita tinititigan at di ko na ata kaya pigilan na sariling di ka kausapin at lapitan. O gusto ko lang makilala ka at isayaw ka na para bang tayo lang dalawang andito. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na na.
Je veux que tu wine, wine, Asian beauty, wine, wine, bad girl como tu wine, wine, allez, allez, wine, wine. Je veux que tu wine, wine, Asian beauty, wine, wine, bad girl como tu wine, wine, allez, allez, wine, wine. Leco. Non, je ne suis pas vraiment romantico, mais crois-moi si je te dis que te quiero. Dis-moi ce que tu veux, dis-moi-le, n'hésite pas ma bella, tranquilo. Je ne suis pas vraiment romantico, mais crois-moi si je te dis que te quiero. Dis-moi ce que tu veux, dis-moi-le, n'hésite pas ma bella, tranquilo. Pour toi, je ferai todo pour toi, faut que tu comprennes que t'es importante. Oh my baby, 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 baby.
Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na na.
Je veux que tu wine, wine, Asian beauty, wine, wine, bad girl como tu wine, wine, allez, allez, wine, wine. Je veux que tu wine, wine, Asian beauty, wine, wine, bad girl como tu wine, wine, allez, allez, wine, wine. Let go. Wine, wine. Wine, wine.
Kanina pa kita tinititigan at di ko na ata kaya pigilan na sariling di ka kausapin at lapitan. O gusto ko lang makilala ka at isayaw ka na para bang tayo lang dalawang andito. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na na.
Je veux que tu wine, wine, Asian beauty, wine, wine, bad girl como tu wine, wine, allez, allez, wine, wine. Je veux que tu wine, wine, Asian beauty, wine, wine, bad girl como tu wine, wine, allez, allez, wine, wine. Let go. Je ne suis pas vraiment romantico, mais crois-moi si je te dis que te quiero.
Yeah, you got that.
Kanina pa kita tinititigan at di ko na ata kaya pigilan na sariling di ka kausapin at lapitan. O gusto ko lang makilala ka at isayaw ka na para bang tayo lang dalawang andito. Oh na 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 na,
from ages 5 until, huwag na natin sabihin, until
And para i-boost din yung confidence nila. So, if you're familiar with GeForce Project, Summer Dance Workshop, familiar kayo? It's the biggest and the grandest summer dance workshop in the Philippines. So, this Performance 101 is a preparation for that workshop. So, ganun yung design niya. So, kaya intimate lang para audience and bigger stage with bigger and bigger. So, it's a preparation. So, kaya tayo-tayo lang to. Excited na ba kayo magpanood sila? Parang hindi.
hindi ko marinig. Sobrang layo ba?
Excited na ba kayo magpanood sila?
Kita-kita rin yung kaya niya.
Kaya talaga.
Pag-usap na muna tayo. Ganito.
Okay. Halika na pulo. Kaya mapulo ako sa'yo. Oh my God! Talo ka, Teacher Ishi.
Palaging na.
Yes, also, for the parents and guardians, you can stand up, you can come closer, pero wag lang po tayo lalagpas dito.
Your experience for the Performance 101 by G-Force.
In English na.
Great and having fun and have friends. Many friends.
Yes, man.
A little bit. Mommy, translator. The sister. Aryan, translator. Translate. International. Go. How was Teacher Ishi as a teacher?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm just shy, but yeah, we're so international. We made it to.
Hi.
Ariani muna. How was Teacher Ishi as a teacher?
Parang natatakot sila, hindi mo talaga sila.
How was Teacher Ishi as a teacher, Blake?
Very good. Very nice teacher and very creative.
Wow, that's sobrang nice.
Sige, G-Shock. Yung day 3, medyo papakulit na sila. Buti, nandun na. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Kasi sa Manila yung kids na away na, gano'n.
Yeah,
Tapos yung 6-day best friends na sila ulit, and nag-mamimiss na nila isa't isa. So,
Guys, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. And that, I'm just kidding. Okay, so, are you guys ready? Okay, go to your first position. Let's go. Ishi.
Para po sa mga pairs and gardens, gagamit po kami ng flashing lights, confetti, fireworks, charis.
Saka interview dito kasi palagi itong nagkaklase sa amin sa Manila,
Oh, yes!
sa Alabang. You know, napuntahan niya na po lahat ng GeForce Dance Center magmula sa Quezon City,
Sa Alabang.
sa Cebu. Sa aming katabaw, yan yung mga kapatid. Tapos,
Hi, good evening. I'm Bon. I've been a student of G4 since 2018.
Okay, so, Chef, ito bagong tanong ko. How was Teacher Michael as a teacher?
Well, of course, he taught us discipline and also he's a great teacher. He's very supportive.
Hindi na rin yung isa pa.
Yes naman. How about you, Teacher Michael? Siyempre students, international din.
Okay, eto.
Kasi nasagot yung international.
Yes.
Ay, Teacher Michael.
Come here. So, introduce yourself and then tell me.
Oh, first time din naman ang beat.
Okay.
Go.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Roslyn and my expectation for this Performance 101 by GeForce is fun and enjoyable and especially nakapit new friends and then syempre kay Teacher Michael is syempre grabe yung discipline niya sa amin kahit medyo minsan nagkaano rin kami. Pero di naman, although strict siya pero kaya siya namin ipakinggan. Then syempre para din sa amin best teacher siya namin.
Yes!
Medyo nananakit ang youngest. Siguro naman ito yung youngest. Baka si Enzo ang youngest. Okay, our youngest. So, how was Teacher Ishi as a Enzo?
Sabihin na siya.
What can you say to me? Nung first day namin tinanong wala sila, I wanna have fun, and ganyan. Tapos walang dancing. So, did you have fun? Parang ang weird na ako yung nagtatanong siya, pag di nyo sinabi. Chares! Okay, so, ready na ba kayo?
Are you guys ready? How about you guys? Are you guys ready?
In 3, 2, 1!
Please welcome Stream Pop by Teacher Michael!
Yeah, you got that.
Dati wala naman din. Okay. At dahil dyan, sinag kami YouTube panood.
Yeah!
Online pa.
Check na lang po sa... So, I know you guys. Yeah? Okay. So, please welcome Teacher Mike.
That's why I never take drugs again. Trading my bike for a hoop. Trading my homie for a Honda. Trading my Honda for a Panther. I just got a crib on the ground. I never been into the time. Never been a fan in the genre. All I really got is one wish. A one night stand when we're done.
Okay, kunwari hindi nga.
Ganun ba?
Okay, ito na lang si Mami kasi grabe yung energy na sa
Yes, I love the energy here.
Magaganda daw kami mamaya. Okay. Okay. So, Mami, how's the experience, performance 101, and also kung ano mga sinasabi niyo? Sa bahay after yung class. Go!
Parang dream come true po, sir. Kasi usually, nanonood kami ng asap. Mama, nakikita ko po sila, sir. Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos every time na pumunta kami, sir, sabi niya, Mama, nag-enjoy ako with your teacher Ishi and teacher Micah. Kasi friendly po sila. Tapos lagi sila. Kung sa amin pa, sir, parang mas cold. Mas cold the best. Mas tugan. Yes.
Thank you, Mami! Thank you, Mami!
Ula. Okay, Mami. How was it? Kamusta? Nung nakita ko sila niya ngayon for the first time, how was it?
Actually, I was not expecting she'll be dancing and she'll be following the steps because, as you said nga, beautiful outfit sa body niya, sabi ko na ito Sunday. Then, actually, I really thought, 16 start ng training. We're not 16.
Yeah.
So, we were so good.
Yeah. Also, movies na si Chloe.
Yes,
Grabe
great.
naman pala si Chloe. Good job, Chloe, ah.
And I was asking her to practice sa bahay, but then she keeps on telling me, no, was surprised na.
Tama, Chloe.
Yes, tama Chloe. That's good job. Okay, so thank you so much, Mami. Maraming salamat. Ayan, di kami napapahabayan pa. I know you're excited as well. Let's give them a round two. Let's go. Beginners, hip-hop, with... Medyo lang. Pero that's the good thing as well, handling kids. And I'm doing this now.
Yeah, you got that
Street Papa Teacher Michael. Oo nga, parang nangyari sa'yo. Paskog ba? Okay, let's go. One more time. Right behind them. Be posted, don't cover your classmate. Yeah. Smile. Marami. Yeah, that's it. Okay, dito kayo sa bagong question to Teacher Michael.
So, not all din na sumasayaw na before pa mag-workshop, may mga natigil, gano'n. So, parang kababalik lang nila. So, for the 3 days, and I think, sana naman, ang sindan din yung para sa kanya. So, yun. So, sobrang appreciate yung mga nag-review, tapos ang tatanong kung ano yung mga question. Kung ano yung step, ganyan. Yes, kasi mga nag-review on the side, may mga nag-i-initiate, like si Chef, nag-lead siya doon sa side. So, we can see it naman, and also yung mga nag-TikTok din sa side. Ayun. So, good job, guys.
Teacher Michael, ulit daw, hindi kami naiintindihan ni
Mami will translate. Ay, wala kayo interview experience, and also, kamusta sila at home? Are they reviewing? They're hiding their dance? Anong chika nila sa bahay?
Actually, wala. Super secret. Wala akong mapala. If I ask them to practice and review, sabi nila, no, it's a secret. It's a surprise. I'm happy na punta dito yung G-Force kasi I was really waiting since 2018. Nag-pandemic na time, and I saw in Facebook, this is my chance na mapa-experience yung anak ko. Kasi naghahanap talaga ako ng hip-hop na dance school. So, this is a great opportunity for them to experience this. Tsaka sabay na sila mag-training.
Yes!
Actually, this is the first time nito magsaya.
Yes!
Video game dance lang yung sinasayaw. And this is reality now. Thank you!
The brother is there.
If siya daw yung bibigyan ng mic, baka makakabalik po siya. Okay, so, how's the experience being inside the workshop? Kasi si Ate Michelle, siya ang aming production manager here in Iloilo and also in Bacolod. So, for us, para makasayaw tayo dito. Yan. Nasusunod na halalan! Ayan, so, ano lang to ha? 1 minute. I'll go. As an experience in being inside the workshop, kasi usually nandun ka lang sa labas, nagpapa ng parents, kumakausap, nag-aasikaso ng mga ganap. Yan, so inside, like you're really dancing as a student.
Actually, I'm very tense kasi Teacher Michael is very strict. Very strict siya. And ako, kasi instructor din ako. So, when he talks, you really have to listen kasi if not, he will really call your attention. No
Excuses.
No water breaks. Pag hindi niya sinabi mo water break, kaya kahit tuyong-tuyo na yung ano. Parang sinisiraan mo naman ako sa That's how professional he is in his job. Besides a senior like me, napapabehave niya talaga. So we're really thankful, Michael. I love you. And si Ishi, thank you for coming to me.
And syempre, interview ko rin si brother ni Ate Lucia. So,
Ano lang po yan, 2 minutes lang po yung kaya.
yeah, syempre nakikita mo nang nagda-dance si Ate Lucia. But now, it's a different platform.
Oo, kasi ako siya sa Zumba.
Yes. Same. So, what can you say about your sister?
First and foremost, aside from my sister, I just would like to congratulate all of the students. And more importantly, a round of applause to all of the parents, relatives, friends, and guardians who are so supportive of the God-given talents of their children or of their relatives. And it's very overwhelming to see kids as young as they are really performing. And I'm really looking forward to see at least some of them in major productions, not only here in Iloilo, but eventually in Manila and eventually in the world. For the not so young dancers, congratulations also. There's a lot of potential in some of you, and what I appreciate with the experienced dancers, the ones trained by Michael, they give their all. You can see it in their facial expressions, in their movements. I'm sorry, I'm quite biased because I know him when he was still a baby, and so it's really a revelation.
Yes.
Go an extra mile to perform and prove to everyone that he could dance and he could perform. He actually reminds me of us when we were still young when we were dancing. It's more of facial expression aside from the good movements.
Yes.
Okay, for my comment with Michelle,
Yung pala, ngayon pa lang siya magkakota ng Ate Michelle. Yun ang una kong tanong. Charis.
of course, I really have to congratulate everyone as well as the people who are supporting the workshop. As for Michelle, I have seen her doing body jazz, Zumba. This is a new genre for her. She's still, after the term Antwerp is used, she's still on her baby steps. But most probably, if given a chance to really train and then give her mind, heart, and soul to it, she will definitely get the swan same as her classmates. Of course, I also have to acknowledge my dearest niece, Audrey. I also seen her bloom from a very shy girl. Now she's also performing and giving her all. So, for each and every one of you, you have all the potentials to make it big. My advice from a former dancer, you not only master the movements, the choreography, but also feel it and make sure that you also enjoy so that your audience can also feel the enjoyment that you're also feeling in that moment as you perform. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Fritz Gourmet, and thank you kay Mr. Miguel Cordova.
And also, to Miss Pauline Banusing ng Farm to Table and Alberte Restaurante Italiano.
At syempre, hindi mawawala si Mr. Bong Garcia.
ng
Tumas
And also, Rambo 3.
Yes!
Yung Thai food, oh my gosh, sobrang sarap.
Oh my God.
Oh,
And wait,
Miss John is here.
Lalawin niyo po yan, Rambo 3.
And also yung Hammam Royal Rituals Moroccan Bath and Spa. Oh my gosh. You must try it. I must try it.
Nanggal yung kaluluwa namin doon.
The reborn. The glow was there.
Yes. So, thank you so much, Miss Joanne Alanzani. Yes. And syempre, yung kinain natin kanina.
Tama.
Sarap nun. At biryani sa ano?
On the Wings of Love.
Yes, on the wings. On the wings. Iloilo by Miss Joanne
Venus.
Yes.
And syempre,
Nabisit mo to. Oo.
ito. This is the businesses.
Yes.
Two businesses.
Sobrang juicy.
Juicy Lucy. American Bar and also ang aming dinner later.
Yes, we're looking forward. Yes.
Azul Latin Bistro. Thank you so much, Mr. Cedric, Engel, and Enzo Lori.
Maraming pong salamat. Hindi po kami nagutom dito, sobra pa kami dito.
Gusto pa po ako pang ngayon.
And syempre kay Congresswoman Jam Baron.
Yes! And of course, last but not the least, kay Miss Michelle Pangbanz as our production manager once again.
All around from Bacolod hanggang dito.
Yes!
And syempre kay Kuya Chris as well.
Ito yung Chris na galing pang Bacolod.
Yes, natutulungan kami sa mga side ano na.
Oo, so pag hindi nyo nakita yung anak nyo sa videos namin, please, kasalanan. Siya ang aming social media here. Yes! Good job, guys. Thank you so much. Yes. It's our time to take photos.
Kanina pa kita tinititigan at di ko na ata kaya pigilan na sarili, hindi ka kausapin at lapitan o gusto ko lang makilala ka at isayaw ka na para bang tayo lang dalawang andito. Oh na 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 na, 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 oh na na.
Je veux que tu wine, wine, Asian beauty, wine, wine, bad girl como tú, wine, wine, allez, allez, wine, wine. Je veux que tu wine, wine, Asian beauty, wine, wine, bad girl como tú, wine, wine, allez, allez, wine, wine. Let go. Non, je ne suis pas vraiment romantico, mais crois-moi si je te dis que te quiero. Dis-moi ce que tu veux, dis-moi, n'hésite pas, ma
Grabe siya.
It's just the rough road.
Continue on Iloilo, Antique Road south for 42 kilometers.
Driving in Iloilo. GeForce. Is she?
I'm your Grab driver today. Are we gonna pass by the simbahan?
Namiyagaw, yes.
Yeah.
How about you, sir? How's your shirt? City of Love.
Body fit. City of Fit. City of Fit.
Yeah. Road trip.
Kanina to.
Welcome to Neck Out Church.
It feels holy. TikTok remix yan.